Boosting your post on Instagram is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now you can boost post on Instagram via the app itself, but it's always more conducive and better to do it via Ads Manager. And today we're going to be using Ads Manager to learn how to boost posts on Instagram. Now what we're going to do is you're going to log into adsmanager.facebook.com, and once you're authenticated and you've been able to create an account, you're going to come to the homepage, and this is what the homepage should look like. You're going to click on create. Now you're going to choose the type of objective that you want your campaign to be. For me, I'm going to choose sales, and I'm going to click on continue. Now here you're going to give your campaign a name. By default, it's called new sales campaign, but we're going to change it to TV box, and we're going to leave it as auction, and we're going to leave this as campaign sales. We're going to scroll down, and the daily budget, you can either choose to set a daily budget for your advertisement, or you can set an ad set budget, but I like to go with daily budget, and I'm going to put a daily budget of $1. Now we're going to scroll down, we're going to leave all this as is, and we're going to click on next. Now for the conversions, it's usually how you'd prefer to drive sales or drive the traffic. I prefer message destinations, and for my message destinations, I like to choose the manual message, and here you're going to use Instagram and not WhatsApp. And once you scroll down to the budget and schedule, you're going to set a start date for your project, and you're going to set a time that your project is going to start. I prefer 12 a.m. at dawn, and you're going to set an end date for your project also. So both times, so 12 a.m., 12 a.m. And then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to click on next. Now here, what you're going to do is, this has your Instagram account and this has your Facebook account. If you do not have a Facebook account, it's okay. You're just going to select your Instagram account. And once you select the Instagram account, you're going to scroll down, and where it says ad setup, you're going to click on use existing post. Now use existing post, you're going to click on select posts, and right at the top here, you're going to choose Instagram, and you're going to choose the posts you want to select and then promote. You click on continue. As you can see, selected the Instagram post. And once you scroll down, all this should be good. You're going to click on publish. Now that's how to boost posts on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.